Namaskar. I am very touched, moved, and also inspired by your wonderful response of what do you want out of this life to happen? What do I really want? My master said, and our lineage believes, there are three things to achieve in life: to know what you want, to achieve what you want, and to enjoy what you have achieved. And you are my family, you are my team, and you are my community, which I believe we are creating a big, powerful transformation. First in our own life, and then transferring this transformation in every heart, so that this world is a powerful, happy, healthy, and peaceful place to stay. I got unimaginable response from you all. Something very powerful. A wonderful girl whose name is Samia. She is only 14 and she is like my daughter. And I would like to tell you, Samia, that how you can manage your tumor, how you can become more healthy, more happy, and more strong, so that you have lots of energy, lots of wisdom, and a space to help other people. Do you know Tulsi? Tulsi is a very powerful home remedy which can make a powerful difference in any kind of tumor. I have been helping people with tumors which are cancerous, which are non-cancerous. Tulsi, I have found it very effective. Now, how do you take Tulsi? Tulsi leaves from 3 to 21 and 21 to 3. On the first day, you take Tulsi 3 leaves. Chew it with 1 black paper. Next day, you take Tulsi 4. So 4 leaves of Tulsi tomorrow, then 5, then 6, then 7, and go up to 21. And then from 21, you start reducing Tulsi. Also, you can take herbal antioxidant, 2 in the morning, 2 in the evening, which makes your body bring the real immunity up. Tulsi with black pepper makes a big difference. You can increase black pepper from 1 to 3. So Tulsi can be from 1 to 21 and black pepper can be 1, 2 and maximum 3. Also, turmeric is a very powerful stuff. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon to half teaspoon, helps to reduce tumor in an unimaginable way. In my life, I have helped more than 100,000 people with different kind of tumors, including tumor in the breast, tumor in the uterus, tumor in the intestine, and somewhere first degree cancer, second degree, third degree, or even last degree. Everyone taking Tulsi, turmeric, herbal antioxidant, that tea formula makes their life better. Samia, do not worry. The whole community is with you. You can send me whatever reports doctors are giving you, and then in the best possible way I will try to help you. Question is not only our physical health, mental health, or even emotional health. Important question is, what do we want to do in our life? What do we want to achieve in our life? And after achieving, how do we enjoy what you have achieved? I have a wonderful idea after seeing the letters and the response from you. How about today, if I show you one technique which can help you to discover really what you want, really what is your burning desire, really how to discover what is your passion. When I was with my master 33 years ago, my master asked me, Pankaj, Dr. Naram, what do you want? I was thinking, and then he says, come on, now press this murmur 6 times, close your eyes, be with yourself, and in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, you will get an answer. On your left side, this is the murmur, and also this is the murmur. Now, here, this portion, you need to press. Close the eyes and press the murmur 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go into a very silent space. Close your television. Close your internet. Close everything. Close the room. Be in a very, very silent space. Feel inside and ask question. Press the murmur and you ask question. What do I want? What do I really want? What will make me fulfilled? Is it money I want? Is it fame I want? Is it a talent I want? Is it a life partner I want? Is it good relationship I want? Or is it I want to help people? Is it that I want to make a contribution? Is it that I want to express myself? I would respect everybody for whatever you want. Important is not what I want or what your parents want you to be or what your life partner wants you to be, but important is what really you want, what type of body you want, what type of alertness you want, what type of skills you want, what type of talents you want to develop. All these questions will start coming up. So this is only to stimulate your brain. So this is something which is more powerful than becoming a millionaire or a billionaire or fixing your legs or taking charge of your diabetes, blood pressure, arthritis, osteoporosis or cancer or tumor or whatsoever. Again, the question is, what do I want? What should happen in my life which will make me feel fulfilled? Maybe somebody will say, if I write 7 poetries, I will be happy. Maybe somebody will get an answer that if I can help 10 people on this planet to become independent in the third world country will make me happy. Or maybe if I can express my talents for singing makes me happy. When you were a small child, what was motivating you to get up in the morning, forgetting all your obstacles and going after that? Or what is it that you think you can contribute on this planet, in your life, in your family's life, in your friend's life, or anywhere? So this is the question. Now, I invite you that after a few minutes, go into a silent place, take a deep breath, be in a position of silence. Press this murmur 6 times. In your right eye, make a white frame and start watching. Start listening. Your true self will start speaking. Once it starts speaking, listen. Do not say, please don't think possible or not possible. Whether you are ready for that or not ready for that. Believe me, I will give you such tools, such technology, such mantras, such murmurs, such herbal remedies, such home remedies that we all will come together to discover what we want and then creating a strength, creating resources for making that dream into reality. There are so many secret mantras, so many secret murmurs in ancient secrets to help you to achieve what you want. But the first golden question is, what do I really want for my life, for my work, for my relationship, for my finances, for my spiritual progress, or whatever is important to you. I promise you. Now, in again couple of days, once you are very clear about what you want and you write to me, I will be coming up with many secrets on how to achieve them, how to realize them, and then how to enjoy them. I invite you again to go deep into yourself and discover what do you want in your life to happen. I love you all. Namaskar.